is Sai Kiran. I am presenting my project for operating systems. The project title is Page Replacement Simulator, that is an interactive and dynamic website based on HTML and CSS and JavaScript which demonstrates how the operating system manages the memory using page replacement algorithms. I am accompanied by my teammates Molly Gupta and Adesh Srivatsav. Now looking at the default screen right now, on the top left we can see the project title Page Fault Simulator, which virtually depicts the management of different pages via operating system. It explores the method by which different algorithms work frame by frame with different arguments and parameters, conceptually, theoretically, visually. Summarize what the project does. On the right side, we see a static card representing the designated task we are presenting, below which the hero section showcasing the four algorithms and briefing into each of one of them. The key idea of this page replacement simulator is that when the memory inside the system is full, a new entry wants to enter the stack, the operating system must decide which existing page is to be removed. It traverses for by frame to memory space and through different rules feeded in the algorithm. The simulator takes the call. Each algorithm affects the depicts plot affecting the final performance of the overall system. The first algorithm being FIFO, first in, first out. It evicts the longest ago feeded page, meaning it evicts the old page in the memory. The frequency of the data used here is not the actual matter common here. Moving on to the next algorithm, it is being LRU, least recently used. Here, the latter removes the page that was used by the least recent, meaning page unused for the longest in the practice is removed. The very first, the principle of temporary locality is exploited here. Hopping on to the next, we reach near LFU, least frequently used. The algorithm evicts the page with lowest traces count, meaning the access rate is matter of real concern here, regardless of the last usage. Now coming on to the last algorithm, we have optimal, known as Ballard's algorithm. This algorithm is theoretically perfect algorithm. It evicts the page which isn't needed for the longest future time and requires future knowledge, but yes, the concerned algorithm too has flaws and inaccuracy in the prediction. After which move to the actual implementation part of the requiring page string. The number of frames, the required set of algorithms the user wish to complete, second, and the simulation button titled run all, followed by a random button which shuffles and generates a new page reference string each time. Also, we can adjust the speed of the algorithm as per your wish. The current string is set as 70120423032122011701 and the frame rate is set to 3. These are the page numbers requested by the CPU in sequence. We may change in string or number frame as per our wish. We may select the any set of algorithm as per our wish. Once we click run all, the sequence is automatically generated and a brief summary of the hit and fault ratio of each algorithm is summarized to our screens. Also, we can see the fault count comparison in the best algorithm of all given selected ones opted for in form of graph bars, to be precise, with the number faults and hit and ratio of it, along with step long tracking each step. So to summarize this project is that fully implements and visuals three fundamental OS replacement algorithms FIFO, LRU, LFU and optimal in an interactive education and gamified web application. It's developed entirely using HTML, CSS, JavaScript by our team and Chat.js for comparison graphs. Thank you for valuable input and time.